Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change spark plugs on a 2008 Honda Accord V6. So the reason why this was prompted is because we are getting a check engine P0303, which is the cylinder 3 misfire. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. So first you want to do is take off this cover for the front piece of the engine, and it's just the two little screws. And then go ahead and take off the bolt, the screw that holds the coil pack in place. Once you do that, then you can take off the plug that holds the, that powers the coil pack. So go ahead and take that off, and then you can pull the coil pack out. And there you go, you can see you just push the button and it should come right off. Then what you want to do is take your spark plug socket, deep socket, and then take the spark plug out. And so once you take it out, it should, the difference is a spark plug socket has a little rubber in there, so it holds the spark plug. And then basically you want to do that for all 6 cylinders. So the back is a little bit different just because there's not enough room for the firewall. So what you want to do in that case, so there you can see the 3 cylinders back there. So what you want to do for the back 3 with the firewall is drop the socket into the cylinder, put your extension in there, and then connect the actual wrench. And that's how you'll be able to take it off. And then everything else is exactly the same. So as you can see, there's the cylinder 3 on the right, the messed up one, compared to a new one on the left. And so, I would definitely recommend changing the coil pack as well for cylinder 3. And cylinder 3 is the one that's closest to you when you're driving. So when you're looking at the front of the car, it's all the way to the right. So then basically you just do everything in reverse order. Go ahead and put your spark plug into your spark plug socket. See how it holds it because there's rubber inside. Go ahead and put it back in the cylinder and tighten it up. And once you get it to snug, you want to turn it a quarter turn more, which is 13 foot-pounds is what you want it at. Once you do that, and then go ahead and put your coil pack back in, plug it back in, and then put your nut on the end of the coil pack to tighten it up. Make sure it's in place. Do the same thing for the other 5. And then go ahead and put the top piece back on with the, just turn it, just put the screws back into place, just a cover. And then that's pretty much it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.